your guys' eyes look creepy. They're glowing. What'd you guys do today? Where'd you win that? She didn't even like notice. She's like, whatever. Where'd you guys get the pom-poms? Oh no! Here, be a wolf. Molly, what is that? Is that a candy bracelet?
It's gone.
Where'd you get it?
It's gone. I ate it.
It's gone?
Mm-hmm.
You ate it all?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
Mine is almost
Did
gone.
you win that today?
Mm-hmm.
Did you win one too?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. And these pom-poms?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, it's a scary wolf at the Great Wolf Lodge.
Careful.
Hi.
Stop.
How are you? It is?
It is.
Is it supposed to have a light like that? Wait, what's AF?
Autofocus.
Oh, there's the fire.
Molly's on fire.
I feel like it never had this bright light because their eyes are like glowing this time. You guys aren't going to say anything? Tell me what you did today so that we can remember it later.
I went to the game.
You did?
With
What?
you.
What games did you play?
I hit it the crocodile. With
You
the
did?
hammer.
That's not very nice.
I hit a crocodile with the hammer.
I hope he didn't bite you.
I kicked him down.
Don't pull. No, you're gonna break that muffin. Don't
Did
pull it that
you race cars?
Yeah, I put the pedal down.
Oh.
much. Did you drive cars, Muffin?
No, she didn't.
She did.
She drove
The
a car
little
too.
bus thing.
Molly, did you win a bracelet? Let me see.
So
Lem-
you're Superman.
Let me see your bracelet.
Flying.
Show mommy. Show the camera. Pretty. Rainbow. Sam, what did you win? Show me your quad racers.
They're on your bed, dude. Go get them and show her.
There's Molly's masterpiece of hair that I did.
And survive swimming.
Yeah. Survived the whole day, so it must hold up. Thank you, Pinterest. Oh. Cool. Move it back a little so we can see. Ooh. Sam won those. We had 938 tickets.
Mama,
What are we going to do tomorrow?
go swimming.
You have a cookie in your mouth?
You want to put it in your mouth too. We're sleeping, dude.
Okay. We're getting ready to go to bed.
Can you tell?
Yeah. Everyone seems so tired. Oh, I'm trying to do a video. That looks kind of weird in the camera. Okay, jump on Dad.
Huh?
Jump on Dad now.
Child pile. Oh. Say bye.
Bye.